Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2018 Sundance. It's a fifth wheel, as you can see. Model number is 2890cc. Nice coach, not too long, you know, some people like them shorter. This is a rear lounge. You can't help it but to see the power awning up here. You got your outside speakers. Those are power-proof. Really nice coach. You got the magnets here instead of the latches. Really nice storage space in here. You can see that. It's more open than most. You can put your stuff in there. But come on in, let me show you a couple of things here. Welcome in, guys. LED lights right here in this slide. Stainless steel appliances, as you can see. Really nice size fridge in here. Big convection microwave oven. You got your 3-burner stove, of course, and the oven. Some of them don't have ovens, that's nice. They try to utilize everything here, so you got kind of a little pantry in here. This island will help with the traffic flow. This way you're cooking, nobody's gonna come around you. Nice faucet. This is a stainless steel sinks, which is nice, better than aluminum, by the way. As you come in through the coach, big screen TV. Hopefully you like TV, you know. Got a stereo system in it, which is DVD player, CD player, radio, you name it. Really nice ambiance with this nice touch of fireplace. Really nice couch with a rear view. Most people love this setup here. Some people like recliners, what have you, but this is a hide-a-bed. That will help out. And then over here we have our love seat. Really nice touch with the leather, if you like this brown color. Again, more storage in the corners. This is a nice slide, so you got opposite slides in here. Nice dinette. We like the wood here. Look at that, nice. We're gonna walk in the bedroom and show you what's going on. As you walking in, it's really roomy in here. I can walk around the bed. Nice window right there with a shelf. More storage. Can't have enough. Look at that. Nice. And you got a closet in here, which is, you know, stuff that you can hang, or maybe you want to store more stuff up here. Another nice touch. We got more closet space in here. Look at that. That goes through. It's pretty nice. And then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna look into the bathroom. Yeah, there you go. Enclosed shower, which is pretty neat instead of the curtain. Very nice. Nice sink, and they have lots of nice touches on this coach. Let's go outside and show you a couple of features. So this is our slide. That's where the dinette and the love seat was. Really nice slide. As you go around the coach, up here you got a ladder. Really nice. This one, you can go up there and check on, you know, maybe debris, what have you, up there just in case. But you know, it's not recommended for you, you know, start walking all over. But this is just a check-in. Nice bumper. You can attach, what have you, maybe a rack or maybe a barbecuer. So come around here. This is the other slide, which is the opposite slide. That's where the TV was and the fireplace. Really nice touch. The Sundance is made by Heartland. They're really a known company, big company. Alloy wheels, we got that. And then that's the really nice slide. Mostly, this slide up here is mostly for storage, if you remember. Okay, and thank you for watching this short video. My name is Dib. Please give me a call if you have any questions. 541-515-1237. Thank you.